And I'll go over what the graphing looks like. So I'm going to draw a nice little, probably terrible, actually, give me my black pen. Pencil's not going to work. Okay, so you're going to draw a coordinate plane, and then you're going to graph the two lines. So, for example, the two problems I'm looking at are this and this. So y equals 2x minus 3, y equals x minus 1. Okay, so for 2x minus 3, the y-intercept is negative 3. So 1, 2, 3. I'll put a dot right there. And for the slope, it's 2x, so 2 over 1. Because remember, for slope, it's rise over run. So it's either go up or down first, then left or right. So I'm going to go up 2 because it's positive 2. So up 2 over to the right 1. I'm going to draw that line. Okay, so that's 2x minus 3. Let me switch pens real quick. All right, so for x minus 1, I'm going to take the same steps. I know the line crosses at this point because of the y-intercept. The x is 1, so the rise is up 1 over 1. So up 1 over 1. Dot there. And I'm pretty sure they're supposed to meet right there. So draw my line. And wherever these two lines meet, you don't necessarily have to
Is that the solution?
That's the solution. Now, if your graph is like mine where it looks like they meet at 2, 1, like it looks like they meet at these coordinates, but if it's all weird like mine, you don't have to put the answer, just graph it and show where they meet. But if they do happen to meet at the exact line, like if I drew better lines, so you're essentially just solving for where they're meeting at. Now you're going to get some problems that are like this. Let's go with this one.
Can you show us the one that doesn't have the y in front, and how do we do it?
That's exactly what I'm going to work on next. Okay, so let me scoot my document camera because I'm running out of room. So got my coordinate plane ready to go. I'm going to do 2x minus y equals 3. 2x minus y equals negative 5.
Do you have to get the y by itself with the x by itself?
The y by itself.
Okay.
So there's like 4 ways you can do this. The easiest way I've discovered, because I can't remember all the other steps, is just getting y by itself. So to get y by itself, you would subtract 2x from both sides. So okay. And then get rid of the negative sign. So I would divide all of this by negative 1. So y equals 2x minus 3. And then I would do the same thing for 2x minus y. So get x moved to the other side. That leaves negative y. Divide everything by the negative sign, so negative 1.
Mister, can you put it up a little?
I will. There you go. Oh. Okay. Oh, that was terrible. You can't see what color dot the green dot is. Oh, come here, pink. I'm gonna draw the line with a pink. There you go. Okay. So now I'm gonna graph this one and then this one. So I'm gonna graph y equals 2x minus 3 with my pink marker. All right, so starting at negative 3, because that's where it crosses the y-axis. I'm gonna go down 3 spots, put a dot there. That's where I'm gonna start at. And then because our slope is 2x, that tells us we're gonna go up 2 over to right 1, because it's 2 over 1. So we're gonna go up 2 over to the right 1.
So if the 2 it's negative, we would go down and then to the right.
Yep. Okay. All right, so there's that line. And then I'm going to come to y equals 2x plus 5. So I'm going to go up 5 because it's a positive 5. So I'm going to go starting here, starting at the origin, starting at the center. I'm going to go up 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put a circle there. Slope is 2x. So I'm going to go up 2 over to the right 1. Draw my line.
They never meet.
They are never going to meet. So that is a no solution.
No solution. Okay.
Yep. So anytime the slopes are the same, there's no solution. Anytime it's the same equation, so say instead of if this read y equals, so say we had y equals 2x minus 3 for both, that would be infinite solutions. Okay, so let me jot all this up here. So, same.
So it was like the last one on, I think it was 3.1 that it was infinite solution, right?
Yep. So same slope, no solution. Same equation. Infinite solutions. And obviously, if it's 2 different equations, it'd be 1 solution. Yep. So, there you go. Any questions?
No.
Okay. Well, what I'll do is when I get a great opportunity, I will download this off Zoom and then break it up for a video for 3.1, 3.2, and 2.6. And then I will also take a picture of this, and then they'll give you an example of a 3.1 problem. All right, so it is, holy cow, it is 120.
It is. Oh, never mind.
Or it's 120 for me, 220 for you.
Yes, I was like, it is not 120.
Yep, it is. So I will see you ladies on Monday. Have a good weekend. Be careful. Be safe. If you have any questions, you always know. Shoot me a message. All right, and I will see